Hey TiLites, I've been wanting to do a video on this mop for a long time. I have got to show y'all this O CEDAR mop, the triangular head shape. Oh my god, it's a life giver. So I have used it to sweep to mop the floors, but I have also used it to clean my baseboards, my walls, and my doors, okay, and the ceilings. Okay, I'm getting a steamer though. I used to use a steamer. I'm gonna get a steamer to do the floors, but from now on, the way I'm going to clean my walls and my doors is this way, okay? I'm not actually going to utilize this particular mop head on here because I've just used it on the floor. I don't want to put this on my walls. I have a separate one for the walls, and the walls don't need clean right now because I already cleaned them. But I just want to show you guys the product and how it works. So let me go ahead and get to it, okay? Okay, so here's the O CEDAR mop. This is the foot pedal, and here is the triangular shape mop head. Now it does have a handle on it, and this one doesn't have wheels. Okay, so this is how you operate it. So you put your solution in there, you drop it inside of the bucket, the spin bucket, and you just pump it and get it dry. The longer you pump it, the drier it becomes. And it's a rotating swivel head. So you see how it moves? It's flexible. Oh my gosh, this thing is a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning the walls and stuff. Let me try to show you guys how to do that. And simulate. I'm not really going to clean.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is.
And it's also easy to dump. So this is what I do. Just bring it out here, grab the bottom, the base like this. Just pour the water out. And that's it. When I tell you guys that this is a lifesaver, I mean it. It's a lifesaver. It's just so convenient. I get my walls, instead of having to, you know, clean with the, what is it, a sponge or the magic eraser. Boy, just put your solution in here. I use mop solution, but there was a time I did use, I probably shouldn't use bleach on the walls, I don't know. But I poured a little bleach in the water, and I cleaned my walls with it, y'all. It did not take me even half the time it took me, obviously, with my hands. So this is a lifesaver. You guys should try the O CEDAR mop bucket. It's worth it. It's changed my life, okay? So anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, and let me know if you have it and you love it, and if you plan on going to get it if you don't have it. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.